Hi, you guys. So I have rigged up a really not very stable holder for my phone to record this. So if my phone falls, I will pick it back up and put it on, and you have to just bear with me. Okay, so these are our editing sentences, and I sent everybody a page that has directions up at the top, and I told you that you can read them on your own, or you can have somebody help you read them, or I'm going to read each one of them right now. And when I read them, I'm not going to stop afterwards, so you should pause the video if you're listening to me read them, and then you can go through and make all of your corrections and then hit play again to see what I correct. Okay? Sound good? All right. Number 1, that bike is too expensive, but that one is too small. Number 2, look out for that car. Number 3, tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay, so those are my 3 sentences. If you need to correct them now because you needed to listen to me read them, I want you to pause the video, make all of the edits that you can find, and then hit play again. Okay? All right. So I'm going to give you guys some hints, which I think I wrote on my directions up at the top. So number 1 has 7 mistakes. Number 2 and number 3 each have 4 mistakes. So when I read this sentence back, like right away, the very first thing that I notice is that there is not an uppercase letter at the beginning of the sentence. So I need to fix that. I need to make this lowercase t an uppercase T. That bike is, we should know better by now, is sounds like a Z, but it's actually an S. So I'm going to fix that. That bike is too expensive. This is correct. This is the correct type of too. There's T-O, T-O-O, and T-W-O, which we know is the number 2. That bike is too expensive. But that one, wait a minute. This kind of one, W-O-N, is like, yay, I won the game, or we won our basketball tournament. When I'm saying, but that one, if I'm pointing to another bicycle, it's O-N-E. But that one is, this is spelled correctly, right? This one was spelled wrong, but there's something the matter with this one. This one has a lowercase I, which is correct, but then it's got this giant uppercase S, wacky capital. It does not belong there. It needs to be a lowercase s. That bike is too expensive, but that one is too small. Is too small? Like the number 2? That doesn't make sense. I need to have it match this. This one is too expensive, more expensive than I want. And this one is too small, right? Not big enough. I need to have this one be T-O-O. That bike is too expensive, but that one is too small. All. There are too many L's in this word. I need to get rid of one of them. S-M-A-L-L. That bike is too expensive, but that one is too small, period. I need a period at the end of my sentence. Okay, so let's count them up and make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay for me, I got them all. Okay. Number 2, look out for that car, right? That might be something that I was yelling to somebody if they were standing in the street and they needed to move because a car was coming, or they were riding their bike and they needed to scoot over to the side of the road. Look out for that car. I know that the word look has that sound, which is kind of a weird sound. It's that same that's in the word book and took. And it's actually two O's. L-O-O-K. There's no U. Kind of sounds like a U, but there is no U. Ooh, but I did put a capital, so good for me. Look out for? I see the word for all the time because I use it in my writing, and I see it in lots of the books that we read. There's no E. Look out for th or that. Every word needs to have a vowel, and this word THT does not have a vowel. The word that has the word at inside of it. T-H-A-T. Look out for that car. Now, I could put a period, right? Look out for that car. But if I was yelling to somebody who was standing in the street, look out for that car, I would probably put an exclamation point because I would probably be yelling it, right? My voice would be elevated. I would really want them to hear what I was saying. Okay, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got them all. Number 3. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So when you are I'm actually doing this on Saturday, not Sunday. But when you see this, it's going to be Monday. So tomorrow is Tuesday. That will be a correct sentence. That's the truth. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Right away, I notice no uppercase D, and I need to fix that. Tomorrow, lowercase, 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 uppercase at the end? No way. We don't need to be doing that. Tomorrow with a lowercase w is Tuesday. Well, it looks like Tuesday is spelled correctly, which is great, but the days of the week are always capitalized. So even though that this T is not at the beginning of the sentence like this one is, it still gets a capital letter. Tomorrow is Tuesday. That sounds like a statement to me. Tomorrow is Tuesday, period. But I have a question mark. I'm not really asking a question. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'm making a statement. So I don't need a question mark. I need a period. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Okay, so I found 7. I found 4. I found 4. So if you did not find all of these on your paper, I want you to take the time right now to correct them. I want you to really go back and find those mistakes and fix them, okay? So you're going to see me again this week talking about long O and more contractions. You're also going to see me reading a story and asking some comprehension questions. And you need to pay close attention during the story because there will be questions at the end about what it was about. Okay? All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.